Each day is a new beginning. This short guided meditation will help you to set the right intentions to begin the day centered, focused, and empowered to flow peacefully throughout the day. Come into a comfortable seated meditation position. But if that's not ideal, you can sit on a chair, keeping a vertical spine. Close your eyes as you turn your awareness inward. Start to feel your breath. Inhale some deep, energizing breaths. Gently, without forcing the breath in, but by inviting it into your being. Feel the deep inhale, exhaling softly. Breathe in energy and exhale calmly. Keep feeling the deep, slow, and calm breath. With each breath, you feel the prana, the life force, filling your body. Exhaling any tension you may be experiencing. Take some time connected with your breath, feeling the life force energy, the prana. Become more and more energized with each breath you take, becoming wide awake and full of energy. Allow the energy to grow, to expand, encouraging that energy, filling your whole being with prana. Getting more and more energetic, awake and alive. Now invite your mind to be present in the moment. Clear your mind of all thoughts. Anything that didn't get done yesterday or needs to get done today can wait for now. All of the outside world can wait for now. As you take some time for yourself to prepare for the day. Allow your mind to be still for now, so later on you will calmly focus on whatever it is that you need to do next. You will focus with a clean, quiet and clear mind. Keeping your awareness on the breath, connect with your heart. Feeling deep peace in your heart. Deep peace in yourself. Feeling deep peace in your heart. Deep peace in yourself. Each day that you wake up and be here is already a successful day. Feel deep peace and love with your whole being. Now take a moment to reflect upon your plans for today. Visualize yourself moving through the day, seeing the day going even better than you have imagined. You make the most out of every situation. Handle it with confidence and dignity. The universe is out to do you good. See only opportunities coming your way. Every day, you are given an opportunity to be how you want to be your best self. Today, right now, in this moment, you are alive. And you have all the energy, strength, and passion you need. Feel yourself completely recharged, calm, and confident. Stay here for as long as you need. When you are ready, take your hands on your heart. Thank the universe. Open your eyes. Get out there and have a bright and wonderful day.